Hello and welcome to CaterLinked Connect. I'm Terry Matthews, and this is where we catch up on what's new in the CaterLink community, the latest updates, announcements, and a few things you won't want to miss. So if you have a question, drop it in the comments, and we will get to those right after we run through this week's news and updates. First up, we have the peer groups. Okay, so peer groups. We have a catering sales peer group coming up on January 20th. So please sign up if you are interested in attending. We still have some spots left. So these small focus groups are designed to help catering professionals share ideas, tackle challenges, and celebrate wins together, all in a supportive environment built around growth and connection. So if you'd like to join a future group or even lead one, head over to CaterLinked's Peer Groups and submit your interest. So we're building more cohorts across different topics, and we'd love to have you involved. Next up, we had a phenomenal session today with Kelly Grogan. Kelly was sharing all sorts of tips and techniques for getting yourself out there, getting your brand out there and supported, forming partnerships. So that's going to be posted later on today. I definitely recommend that you take a look at that one. Thank you to Kelly for such fantastic content and fantastic ideas for promoting your catering business. And taking a look at next week. So we have Tuesday Tech Talk with Christina Clauson. So Christina helps you make sense of systems and tools that drive catering success, from POS and integrations to operations and workflows. She breaks down complex tech in a phenomenally accessible way. So yeah, don't miss out on that one. That's going to be another fantastic show from the lovely Christina. And then later on in the week, I believe it's Thursday, we have Hospitality Bites with Zana Devine. So Zana brings sharp, practical insights for hospitality leaders. Every episode is packed with real-world takeaways that help you lead better, serve smarter, and elevate the guest experience. So if you want actionable advice from someone who's been there, don't miss this one. And don't forget to head over to the events section and register for these events to have them automatically added to your calendar. You would not want to miss out. However, if you do, you can always check out our YouTube channel. So you'll find our full back catalog of shows, including Restaurant Royalty, Catering Cage, Beyond the Four Walls, Uncensored, and In Charge, and Tech Talk Tuesday, and Jana's session as well. So you will find all of those there. So each show has its own playlist. So it's easy to keep... Oh, excuse me. Oh dear. So each show has its own playlist, so it's easy to keep up with the series and topics that interest you most. So it's the perfect way to stay connected and inspired between live sessions, and it's completely free. So while you're there, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And please share this content with your colleagues. The more we share, the more we grow up. And the more we share those fantastic presenters, they are wonderful. They are sharing their time, dedicating their time to help our community grow, and supporting restaurant operators and catering operators alike. They are fantastic. Thank you so much to our presenters. Okay, so that is it for this week's CaterLinked Connect. Thanks for hanging out with me and catching up with what's happening around the community. There are so many great things happening right now. New courses, peer groups, events, and member stories, and it's all powered by you. So if you haven't already, make sure to check out the event section, visit the YouTube channel, and of course, stay connected through our mobile app. Have an awesome end to your week. Keep sharing your ideas, and I'll see you next time right here on CaterLinked Connect.